What up, guys? It's Sonic X34, and this time I'm on a way different adventure than all my other adventures. I'm at a bonfire. Look at that flame. And then there's me and my stick that is Steven. I mean, do you see all that ember up there? And this fire is like really flaming hot. I'm here with Emily and Mr. T, who doesn't look like he wants to be in the video because he's obviously on his phone. All the other girls, they just went to the forest to go exploring. I'm here, the fire master, just trying to keep this fire lit and burning. But not burning enough that burned the whole forest down. There's a lot of apple trees over here, though. And watch as I stick this stick into the fire. Ooh, dang, it's pretty hot.
It'll be like a video they find like hundreds of years from now.
And there you have it, folks. A stick that's on fire. Look at that tiny little flame. It's like a little birthday candle that you could just walk on. That's my video, folks. Catch you later on the next video. Sonic X34. Out.